Today, we are going to talk about climate crisis, an issue that affects God's creation. So what is climate crisis and how does it affect God's creation? Climate crisis is a term describing the threat of global warming and the urged aggressive climate change mitigation, which explains the catastrophic events all over the world. The climate crisis is causing tropical storms, hurricanes, heat waves, and flooding to be more intense and frequent than seen before. 11 million tons of plastic make its way into the oceans every year, harming wildlife habitats and the animals that live in them. The amount of plastic in the ocean could reach 500 million tons by 2040 if we include the microplastics. Forests the size of 20 football fields are cut down, which causes deforestation. By the year 2040, the planet might have only 10% of its forests if deforestation isn't stopped. Forests help prevent soil erosion and landslides from occurring. 4.2 to 7 million people die from air pollution, and that 9 out of 10 people breathe air that contains high level of pollutants. This comes mostly from industrial sources as well as emissions from burning biomass. A devastating bushfire season on Australia. Locusts swarming across parts of Africa, Middle East, and Asia. Microplastic being found in Antarctic ice for the first time. A heat wave in Antarctica that rises above 20 degrees for the first time. Warnings of advancing permafrost melt in Arctic regions. The Greenland ice sheet melting at an unprecedented rate. Accelerating sixth mass extinction, increasing deforestation in the Amazon forest. Air pollution exacerbating the spread of COVID-19 in China. A national park in US recording the highest temperature ever recorded on Earth. Population sizes of wildlife have experienced an average decline of 68% in the European Union. And a record-breaking wildfires in California that have blocked out the sun. These are just a fraction of events caused by climate crisis. What more events would happen if we would not start taking care of God's creation?